welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing a winter favorites where I take you through basically what's my winter skincare routine. I have a new product to talk about, which I'm really excited about. This is from an Australian company called Hey Bud. This is, I don't even know what this is actually called, the Australian Hemp Clay Mask to Cleanse and Purify. And I did get sent this in PR, and I had never heard of this brand before, but when they sent it to me, I was a little bit intrigued, and so I gave it a shot, and I fell in love. Like, this mask is everything that I want a clay mask to be. It absorbs excess sebum, but it's not crazy drying to where it's painful. So in addition to having bentonite and kaolin clay, which are two clay components that help to absorb excess sebum and dislodge debris from the pores, this also contains hemp seed oil, sweet almond oil, avocado oil, vitamin E, hyaluronic acid, glycerin, vitamin C. I mean, I really do love the ingredients in here. I think my favorite part about this is that I think it is suitable for all skin types, which is kind of rare for a mask like this. Like, usually with clay masks, I can't use them because on my dry skin, it gets really, really painful. But when I saw the ingredients and I noticed the amount of oils in it, I was like, maybe it'll be okay, and I was right. I have really been enjoying this, working it into my morning routine. If you want to see, by the way, like a morning routine video for like my 9 to 5, because I think I filmed a routine video a while ago, and you guys seem to have really liked it. So I'm thinking about doing another routine video, but for specifically my 9 to 5. If you want to see that video, then give this video a thumbs up and comment down below that you want to see it so that I know to film it. But anyway, this is my new favorite clay mask. Goodbye, Paula's Choice. It's been nice knowing you. That mask was just a little bit too drying on my skin. This one feels a lot more gentle and a lot less drying. If you want to give this mask a try, you can use my code KayaEmpire on heybudskincare.com, and it'll get you 15% off. So that's like the new obsession, love in my life. The next product I wanted to talk about is also new. This is the Primera CICA Essence Repair Bean, and I bought this in Seoul, South Korea. I didn't buy it. It was a sample that came with some stuff from Primera. I freaking fell in love with this. It's got this really cute pump packaging. It contains CICA, or Centella ASIATICA, which is a really amazing ingredient that I'm just now getting into. And I have so many regrets about not getting into this ingredient earlier because it just works so well on my skin. It just makes my skin super soft. It takes down any redness that I have, and it just makes my skin feel so much better. So I thought essences were supposed to be like liquids, like toners, but this is an essence and it's not a liquid. So correct me if I'm wrong, but this is like a thick serum kind of looking thing. It almost feels like a moisturizer, to be honest, but it just feels really nice, really moisturizing, really hydrating. It has really cool ingredients like CICA, and it just does wonders to my skin. If I can find a link for this online to buy it, I will put it in the info box down below so you can shop for it, but I haven't tried yet, so I'm not gonna make any promises, but if I can find it, it will be in the info box. Lately, I have been super focused on hydrating my skin that I forgot that I had pores. And what I mean by that is that I forgot to do my BHA routine, and my blackheads got freaking out of control. So it was time to introduce the big guns back into my life, and so Paula's Choice 2% BHA gel exfoliant made its way back into my routine, and I'm never going back, guys. I'm never going back. This just works so extraordinarily well without drying my skin out. It really works wonders to make your pores seem much smaller because it's getting rid of the blackheads and all the gunk and the oxidized sebum inside of your pores. And I love this. Paula's Choice has truly amazing products. I wish I could just buy everything from Paula's Choice, but they're kind of expensive. And like I've said like a million times now, I'm trying to save money this year. And so this is like my expensive product in my, that's not true. This is not my one expensive product in my routine. But this is a pricier product in my routine, but I still really, really love it. If you're looking for like a cheaper alternative to like a BHA, not a BHA, but to the Paula's Choice BHA, the Inky List BHA or salicylic acid, whatever they call it, is really, really good as well. I will link both of them in the info box down below so you can go shop for those. But yeah, I love this product and I'm sad I stopped using it. Speaking of serums, Great Barrier Relief from Crave Beauty. I freaking love this product, and I had run out and then I repurchased it and here it is, and I'm just so relieved that it's back in my routine because this is amazing for dry skin. Like, it has so many yummy emollient moisturizing ingredients, and it just does wonders for dry patches and just overall increasing the moisture content in your skin. And then also it does help with hyperpigmentation because it has this ingredient tamanu oil in it. I think it's great for reducing hyperpigmentation, and so if you have like leftover dark marks from like sunspots or acne marks, tamanu oil can be really incredible at reducing the hyperpigmentation. So love, love, love Great Barrier Relief from Crave Beauty. I did an entire dedicated review of this product. I will link that video down below. I'm linking a lot of stuff in the info box. Guys, if you don't check out my info box, you should, because I put a lot of information down there. Next up, we have a product that I'm sure you're sick of me talking about, but this is a Visviva Urea 5% and Niacinamide 5% Rosewater Serum. I'm not gonna sit here and talk about this for too long because I've featured it in a lot of videos because I just love it so dang much. I actually just repurchased another one for myself and my mom, and I also got a little travel size, so like I'm ready to go. This contains really hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid and urea and glycerin, and they really help to deliver a lot of hydration to my skin. And then also the niacinamide. Guys, niacinamide, she's my best friend. She helps with ceramide production, she helps with hyperpigmentation, she helps with fine lines and wrinkles, she helps with sebum control. She just truly does everything. So for that reason, love this serum, so many wonderful ingredients. Favorite sunscreen of the moment is the Crave Beauty The Beach Shield. I love this sunscreen so much. It has so many yummy ingredients to deliver antioxidants to the skin to protect the skin against environmental stressors, and also has sunscreen ingredients to protect your skin from UV exposure. So I've actually demonstrated this product in my video where I talk about how to apply sunscreen, and again, I will link it down below. Anyway, this is just a really beautiful sunscreen. I love the texture of it. I love the finish that it has on my skin. I think it's really something special. So the Beach Shield is a definite win in my opinion. And then lastly, the only moisturizer that I have been using is the Primera Intensive Alpine Berry Water Cream. This moisturizer is so thick, but you can see like I've made quite a dent in the product because I've been using it every single night. It just is truly my favorite now. And when I run out of this and I can't get a hold of this anymore because I think this is limited edition, I'm definitely gonna pick up the normal Alpine Berry Water Cream because I think it's gonna perform very similarly. But anyway, this is my favorite. I love it. It's so good. If you can't get your hands on the intensive cream, then check out the Alpine Berry Water Cream because I've used that one in the past and I really love that one as well. Okay, so those were all of my winter skincare favorites thus far. As you can see, I am not really changing up my routine that much, and honestly, like I feel like my skin looks really good because I'm sticking to what I know. I'm not overdoing it with new products and introducing too many new things into my routine. I find that when I really introduce a lot of new things to my routine, my skin kind of freaks out. So I'm sticking to what I know and what I love, and it's working out really well for me. So if you have any skincare favorites that you are currently obsessed with, then comment down below with what they are, and I would love to read all of your recommendations. But that's it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching and spending this time with me. Have a beautiful week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!